Hello, I am Praveen Kumar Rai. Welcome to Monastic online classes, and today our topic is volume. See, today our topic is volume. Actually means question comes first, what is volume? Simply you can say word that is space. Means that is space occupied by solid. Means simply you can say like a duster, like chalk box. Means like such solid, means it means what? That is volume. And that volume can be measured in cubic millimeter, cubic centimeter, cubic meter, etc. But in this volume, actually we have to know mostly about two parts, that is cuboid and cube. The first comes what is cuboid. That means actually means in this volume only we have to discuss about the solid figures like cuboid and cube. The first, what is cuboid? The simply you can say what that cuboid is the solid figures which have 6 rectangular surface. Like example, if you want to take like duster, like chalk box. Second one is cube. So what is cube? On cube you can say that means cube is the solid figures which has 6 square face. Like example dice. Same. But in this topic, means on topic cuboid and cube, we have to know how to find total surface area, how to find volume. Not only this, how to find area of which leadless means leadless rectangular box, area of hollow cubical box means cubical box. After this, if you know all these formula of cuboid and cube, then easily we can find out means total surface area and volume of solid objects. Okay. Actually now our some questions are given here, and now we have to know how to find it. For example, the first question given here, find the total surface area and volume of cuboids. Like simplicity given the length is equal to 8 cm, breadth is equal to 6 cm, height is equal to 5 cm. Now question comes here, how to find total surface area. That is our first. Second one is volume. First thing, how to find it. For that, take here, length is equal to 8 cm, breadth is equal to 6 cm, height is equal to 5 cm. It means length given here, breadth given there, height given here. So now our first question is how to find total surface area of cuboid. See, this is our first. Actually, we are knowing what we know. Simply we can say, we know that total surface area of which the area of cuboid is equal to. So what you can say? That is 2 into length into breadth, breadth into height plus length into height. Means what? Now what you have to do? Now you have to replace this length by 8 cm, breadth by 6 cm, similarly breadth by 6 cm, height by 5 cm, length by 8 cm, height by 5 cm. Now put here the 2 into 8 cm into 6 cm, 6 cm into 5 cm plus 8 cm into 5 cm. After this, what you have to do? See, 8 6 are 48, cm into cm, square cm, 6 5 are 30, cm into cm, square cm, 8 5 are 40, cm into cm, square cm. After this, now what you have to do? Again, inside the bracket, what is given there? We have to add this 48, 30 and 40. The take there 2 into. The now see 48 plus 30 how much? 78. 78 plus 40, that is 118 square centimeter. And after this, now multiply 2 and 118. How much you get? See, 8 2 is 16, carry 1, 2 1 is 2, 1 3, 2 1 is 2, means 236 square centimeter. Like this, second one is volume. The for volume, for volume, simply you can say volume is equal to what? You are knowing that volume is equal to length into breadth into height. The length how much? The 8 cm. Breadth how much? The 6 cm. Height is how much? 5 cm. Now what to do? Multiply how much? The 5 6 is 30. 38 is how much? The 240. Similarly, cm into cm, square cm, a square cm into cm, that is cubic centimeter. So like this, simply we can find total surface area and volume of cuboid. So number two, what we have been given there? Simply we are seeing that what? See, we are seeing that area of base given there. The how much? That is 100 square centimeter, and height given there. That is how much? 5.5 cm. But question given that you have to find out volume of cuboid. See, what is given? Area of base, height. What you have to find? Volume of cuboid. So actually you are knowing. So what you are knowing? You are knowing that volume of cuboid is equal to what? So simply you can say area of base into height. So take there area of base into height. The base how much? The 100 square centimeter into height how much? 5.5 cm. After this, multiply both. So how much getting? That is 550. Due to this decimal, 10 has been removed. So how much coming? 550 square cm into cm, that is cubic centimeter. So like this, when area of base given there and height given there, so like this volume of cuboid formula using, simply you can get volume of cuboid. See number third given there, find the total surface area and volume of cubes. Means total surface area. Like example, given length is equal to 7 cm. Length is equal to 5 cm. Same. Now length is equal to 5 cm given there, and from this 5 cm what we have to do? The first question given there, find the total surface area of which the area of cube. We have to find here. To find this total surface area of cube, so what we know? Simply you can say, we know that total surface area of cube is equal to what? That is 6L square. Now what to do? The length, how much given? 5 cm. You take 6 into 5 centimeter whole square. So now what to do? Again, the 5 square, the 25. Now cm into cm how much? A square cent. So why? Because when you multiply this 5 cm 2 times, means 5 cm into 5 cm, the coming 25 square cm, and after this multiply both, which 25 and 6. How much coming? The 150 square centimeter. After this, second one is volume. So for that volume, simply you are knowing that volume of cube is equal to what you say, that is L cube, means 5 centimeter whole cube. It means what? Multiply 5 cm into 5 cm into 5 cm. 3 times means 5 cm into 5 cm into 5 cm. So how much coming? The 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. A cm into cm square cm. A square cm into cm cubic centimeter. It means like this. Simply you can find out total surface area and volume if length is equal to take 8 centimeter, like B is equal to 10 centimeter, like H is equal to 3 centimeter. If given there, like this, simply we can find total surface area and volume of cube. See, number 4. Question given there. Find the capacity of the flowing water tank in liter. Means capacity. It means what? For this, first of all, you have to find out volume, of which the volume of cuboid. So height, the length, breadth, and height given there. So take here. See, so what is given there? So simply we can say, seeing there, length is equal to how much? That is 3.2 meter. Take breadth is equal to 1.6 meter. And height is equal to how much? 1.5 meter. See. Length, breadth, and height given there. The question comes, how to find out volume? For that volume, we are knowing what? What we know? We know that volume is equal to length into breadth into height. The length how much? 3.2 meter. Breadth how much? 1.6 meter. Height how much? 1.5 meter. After this, what we have to do? So now multiply 3.2, 1.6, 1.5. Now you have to multiply this. After multiplying all this, how much I have got? That is 7.68 means meter into meter, square meter into meter, cubic meter. Means now volume came here. But our question is what? In liter. So for that you are knowing. So what you are knowing? That 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter. We are knowing. A second, 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liter. Means 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liter. That's why what came 7.68 cubic meter, this changed into liter. So right there, 7.68 into 1000 liter. How much coming? Take 768. After decimal 2 number, that's why only 10. Means like this, simply we can find out capacity of water in tank. It means in the tank how much water is there? That means 7680 liter. Right there. Therefore, capacity of water in water tank is equal to how much? 7680 liter. Like this, simply you can find capacity of water tank. Next given here, a cubical room contains 216 cubic meter of air. Think this is one room. This room how much contains? 216 cubic meter. It means from this you have to find out length. Of which length of this floor? Now what is given? Cubic meter. The cubic meter means what? Volume. Means volume given there. And we have to find out its length. Now see here. Now what we are seeing? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 minutes. See. Simply we can say what is given? The cubic meter. Cubic meter means volume given there. How much? 216 cubic meter. From this, your first one is find its length. To find its length, what we are knowing, simply we can say, we know that volume is equal to L cube. So why L cube? Because cubical room. When it means cube, due to that cube, we have used volume is equal to L cube. Now see, or how much volume? 216 cubic meter is equal to L cube. Or now when cube goes this side, it means what? That means cube root. See, and cube root of 216, how much coming? Simply you can say that is 6 meter. If you don't know, simply we can factorize like this. After this easily that will come 6 meter. See, number 2, find the area of its floor. It means what? It means to find area of floor. See, area of floor. Area means simply the why? A cube. The cube means all side equal. It means what? If this is the floor, it means simply you can say area is equal to what? And what we know? Simply you can say we know that area of floor is equal to what? That is L square. And means the length how much? The 6 meter. The take 6 meter whole square. It means what? So when you multiply 6 meter 2 times, how much comes? The 6 6 are 36. A meter into meter, a square meter. It means what? How much area of floor? That is 36 square meter. Right? Therefore, area of floor is equal to 36 square meter. After this given now, what? Find the cost of carpeting its floor at Rs 50 per square meter. It means if Rs 50 per square meter, it means cost of 1 square meter of which carpeting its floor is given. How much rupee? 50 rupee. The take here. Cost of carpeting its floor is equal to how much? How much given here? 36 square meter into how much? Take Rs 50 per square meter. It means if 1 square meter is 50, that's why we have multiplied 36. How much comes the take here? 36 times how much? 180. 10 here, it means 1800 Rs. And this A square meter per square meter means what? A square meter and per square meter both cancel. That's why simply we can say that is areas 1800. It means what? That is the cost of carpeting its floor. See, it means what is given there? That area of base of rectangular water tank is how much? 40,000 square centimeter. And question given what? Find the height. See, means find the height of water level. Means water level when there is 4,000 liters of water in a tank. When there is 4,000 liters of water in the tank, and we are knowing what 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter, and when 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter, it means what? The first of all you have to convert this 4,000 liter into cubic meter. The take here 4,000 into 1,000. How much comes? Take 4. Take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubic centimeter. And what you have to find? Height. To find this height, we are knowing. What you know? So simply you can say that volume is equal to what? Area of base into height. Or how much volume? The 4 means 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. See, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Means 40 lakh. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cubic centimeter is equal to area of base. Take 40,000 square centimeter into height. After this, take height is equal to how much? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubic centimeter. By how much? To 40,000 means 1, 2, 3, 4 cubic centimeter. Now what do this cubic centimeter, square centimeter, and these three cancel? Why? Because 1 centimeter is left here. So 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Means how much? The 100 the take, or height is equal to how much? 100 centimeter. Therefore, height is equal to 100 cm. It means 100 cm also take or 1 meter. There is no problem. Okay, see. Now we are going to find out area of lidless rectangular box. For that, see, length is equal to 8 cm given here. Breadth is equal to 5 cm. Height is equal to 3 cm. So what is our question? Our question is to find here area of lidless rectangular box. This is our question. So for that, you are knowing. So what we know? So simply we know that what? Area of lidless. Take area of lidless rectangular box is equal to what? 2 into length into breadth, breadth into height, plus length into height minus length into breadth. See 2. Length how much? 8 cm. Breadth how much? 5 cm. Breadth how much? 5 cm. Height how much? 3 cm. Length how much? 8 cm. Height how much? That is 3 cm. Take minus length how much? 8 cm. Breadth how much? 5 cm. See, after this, take 8 5 ja 40, cm into cm is square cm, 5 3 ja 15, cm into cm is square cm, 8 ja 24 is square cm, 8 5 ja 40, cm into cm is square cm. After this, again, now add all these, to which 40, 15, and 24. So how much coming? The 5 plus 4, 9. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 79 square cm minus 40 square cm. After this, how much? The multiply these two. See, the 9 2 is 18, 2 7 is 14, 1 15, means 158 square cm minus 40 square cm. So how much? This is 8 minus 0, 8. 5 minus 4, 1, means 118 square cm. So like this, easily we can find out lidless rectangular box area. Next question is our. That is area of hollow rectangular box. This how to find here. So we know what we are knowing. Simply you can say we know that area of hollow rectangular box is equal to how much? So that is what? The breadth into height plus length into height. So take here 2. Breadth, the breadth how much? 5 cm into 3 cm plus length 8 cm, height is 3 cm. So how much coming? See, 5 3s are 15, 8 3s are 24. So how much coming? See, 2 into 5 plus 4, 9, 2 plus 1, 3, 39 square cm. Multiply both how much? The 9 2 is 18, 2 3 is 6, carry 1 of 7, 78 square cm. So like this, whether leadless rectangular box or hollow rectangular box, if you have to find its area, like this you can find it. See, now our next question, what is given here? Find the total surface area of leadless cubical box and hollow cubical box when length is equal to 4 cm. So what is our question? To find area of leadless cubical box. See, take here. So what we are knowing? We know that area of lidless cubical box is equal to how much? So you are knowing that is 5L square. Take 5 into a length, how much given? That is 4 centimeter whole square. Take the 5 into the 4 square, how much? 16. A cm into cm, a square cm. A multiply both, which 5 and 16, how much? The 80 square cm. After this, our next question is what? That is area of hollow cubical box. So how to find this? So simply you can say, we know that area of hollow cubical box is equal to how much? That is 4L square, means 4 into length how much? 4 centimeter whole square. It means 4 square how much? 16. Centimeter into centimeter, a square centimeter, and multiply both how much? 16 4 ja 64 a square centimeter. So like this means if instead of this length, if given b is equal to 5 cm, height is equal to 3 cm. If like this question given there, so simply by using this, area of lidless cubical box is equal to 5L square. Find this. Cube means hollow cubical box. Apply like this and simply you can find this word, that area of lidless cubical box and area of hollow cubical box.